Hello, my name is Flora Krasnici, and I am the project coordinator of the project DRIVE, Developing Research and Innovation Capacities in Albania and Kosovo, on behalf of the coordinating institution Polish University. While the topic of developing research and innovation in Albania and Kosovo was very important early in the moment when we started to prepare this project proposal, we have dedicated a work package only for the gender balance in research and innovation. It was because of the fact that we remain that the gender, especially in the females in the research and innovation, is very low, and we have to work more and to obtain a training for women, especially in the Albanian and Kosovo universities.
Research in Albania is not that easy, as it goes through many difficulties and hurdles. First of all, because of limited resources within the Albanian universities in terms of financial and staff resources. The second is the modest cooperation with different stakeholders within the labor market. On the other side, there are limited support and cooperation with the government in terms of a lacking public policy in terms of research and innovation.
Research is the basis of every public policy. Nowadays, research is conducted in order to make, draft, as well as approve public policies. There is a big gender gap when it comes to research production, as well as making of public policies. This time, we want to encourage more research in order to close the gender gap, as well as promote valuable public policies, which takes into consideration both perspective of men and women.
Considering that the participation of women today in science and research and technology is less than 33% worldwide, and considering the fact that only 11% of senior research positions are held by women in the global context, we only believe that there is an urge in the global but also in European level that women participation in science and technology and innovation should be boosted as soon as possible and should be one of the main challenges of the new upcoming Erasmus program. That's why DRIVE projects is one of the projects that targets especially the participation of women in technology, research and innovation programs, and it includes one of the main capacity building programs in Albania and Kosovo to implement this strategic goal.
The research and innovation field has always been one of those fields in which there is a lack of participation among women. And of course Albania is no difference in here. Also in our country there are in many fields lack of women in participation, and especially in the research and innovation. Projects like the DRIVE one are the ones that of course are promoting this and enhancing the participation of women, and also of course of youth researchers. And it's one of those things that needs to be promoted also beyond only those kind of DRIVE projects.